Really good as fuck. Anyway, it's currently 5:30. I got this here blue Yeti here. Figured I'd give it a little test run so I can see how it sounds in case anyone else wants to buy it. This is how it sounds about any Premiere Pro like edited sounds on top of it. It's the bass mic. That's what you get. And it's pretty nice. Pretty good. Only thing that sucks about it is kind of small. There's not really like a mount. I guess you could buy an external mount, but yeah, that's up to your preference, I guess. This is how it sounds with Premiere editing stuff. You know, I might just make a tutorial on that too to make your audio sound better. But this is how it sounds when you add more detail, more layers, more juicier sounding quality. So yeah, what's that? That's about it. I don't really got much else for you. Sponsored by Cinnamon Toast Crunch. We're not actually. I was just hungry, to be honest.